Hey Tony, this is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. We had my employee Haley speak with Jacqueline, who said that we could send you this video. So I'm just making this quick video to give you tips on how to use Google's language on your website so that you can start bringing in more customers for free. We're doing this because I used to own my own roofing company here in Alaska, so I absolutely understand the struggles contractors go through, but I also understand business owners are really busy trying to run their businesses and they don't have the free time to sit in front of the computer every day and keep up with the way the internet changes to make it work for them and bring business to them. And what we found is the biggest thing that holds business owners back from hiring a marketing agency is not knowing which one is going to be an expert or a waste of time and money. I heard that that might have been an issue Jacqueline brought up, that seems that you guys had been burned in the past, and that's exactly what we're trying to help resolve for all the small businesses out there. We know there's a lot of rip-off companies, so we like to represent that value up front, and we've been making these free custom plans of attack and giving them away, and there's been lots of owners who do reach back out to us and ask for our help to get some of this stuff completed. So if after this video you do see that we know our stuff and you're confident in the results we can deliver you, then you can always give us a call back just to chat. We only look to take on one client in any area. We don't like to compete with ourselves. If you want to take the information and apply it yourself, that's absolutely okay. This is free education. So I'm here to talk to you about 3 quick points today: content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm looking on your homepage here. You guys have a good looking site. You've got the click to call, you've got your contact forms, and the appearance looks great. The appearance is definitely for the customers. The Google does not rank your site based on looks. They're using bots called crawlers that are scanning all the content within your site, and these crawlers are trying to find keywords to rank you for in the search results. So for Google, content is king. Now it's recommended you have at least 1,500 words on the homepage. Then you want to have at least 500 words on each back service page. When you have your site built this way, you also want to use 100 words of content for every keyword. Having it done this way will lead to 2 things for you. It's going to have Google recognizing you as an expert in the industry, and it's going to have Google putting your website at the top of more customer search results, which means more business for you. I have an example of a keyword for you as well, which is Knoxville Roofing Companies. This one's getting searched about 200 times a month. Now, when customers do any type of a search, they're going to see this map pack, also known as Google My Business. To get this optimized, you want to add your company contact information, photos, and website. Then you need to get your contact information into citations, which are just online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages. There's thousands out there, but the goal is to have your contact information on at least 100 directories more than your competitors to start ranking in the top 3 here, which is where customers call in the map pack the most. Now, if we continue down, these are the organic search results. The top few sites actually get rotated by Google for that first place position, but this is not one of your competitors. We do see that Barnett Roofing is the top ranking competitor. Also, they're top ranking in the map pack too. So let's take a look at what they're doing on their site. So we can see they've got quite a bit of content, but that 1,500, 500 rule of thumb is still going to have you beating them. And for the other side of things, oh, don't like that, we use this paid tool called Ahrefs. Now this is showing what's happening on the back end of your website. So I can see your homepage has a ranking of 15. The entire website has a domain ranking of 0.1. These rankings are on a scale from 0 to 100, comparing your website to every other website on the internet. And the ranking is made by the backlinks. So a backlink is just when another site online links to your site and pushes traffic to you. This is a way Google gets competitive, so you need to be very cautious here. This is where normally we see marketing agencies burning small businesses. You need to make sure that the backlinks are high quality because they're not all the same. So before you link to a site, you want to make sure it is high ranking and relevant to your industry. So right now you have 82 backlinks coming from 15 sites. Let's take a look. So you can see here, there's some that are sitting at 0. They have no ranking, so they're not really helping you. So those would be more of spam links that I wouldn't recommend. And some of them are telling you that you can follow, and some of them don't let you. So from here down, all of these links are not generating any traffic for you. The best link that you have right now is the allusa.org. Going back out here, right now you are sitting at currently 50 keywords that you're getting ranked for in Google. That's not saying where their positions are, though. So all this is giving you about 13 traffic a month. Taking a look at your competitor, who we know is ranking at the top of the search, we see they have a homepage ranking of 19. Their entire website is a 2.5, so they're not too much better than you guys. Like, they're very rare, very little ranking higher. It's because they have more links. So we would search through their links to find the highest quality ones to put on your site and give you that ranking. But then we're going to hunt down backlinks that none of your competitors are using. And we want to find the highest quality ones we can to put on your site so that you can dominate the market. The goal is to have your rankings in the 30s and 40s. So their links are coming from 67 sites. They have 411 keywords, and all of this is giving them 225 traffic. So even if only half the visitors to their site each month filled out that contact form, called them, gave them the job, they're still looking at over 110 roof jobs each month. So the opportunity is there. We know there's a search volume. You guys just need to know how to have your website speaking Google's language so you can get that authority on the rankings where you need to be. Quick recap, you're going to want at least 1,500 words on the homepage, at least 500 on each back service page. Use that rule of thumb. This is one keyword, so you want at least 100 words of content to support it. Then you need to get your contact information into as many online directories as you can to get a leg up in the Google My Business listing. And you want to get high quality backlinks that are relevant to the roofing industry and high ranking. With these 3 steps, you will be ranking #1 across Google. I know it was a lot of information, but you can take it and apply it yourself. It's totally okay. This is free education. I'm really just here with my team to try and get feedback. We want to know if we're delivering good value when we send these videos. Now, if you did want any help getting this stuff done, we would be more than happy to have a chat with you and see if we're going to be a good fit. Like I said, we only look to take on one exclusive client in any area we service. So we will follow up. Haley will follow up in the next few days just to get your feedback on the video. But if you did want help, yeah, we absolutely could get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or even employees if you need to get a strong crew going. I know how hard that can be. So, like I said, Haley will follow up in the next few days. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you got good value out of it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Sorry it went a little long. Take care.